Hello again, my precious. This is a new video on my channel because it's Friday, and today we are talking about dative case of adjectives. Yes, in the next episode in our huge series about adjectives in Ukrainian. So let's learn the rule and have a lot of practice, and I hope you will like all the songs I have used in this video. You can listen to them if you go to the description of the video, and there you have all the references. Let's start. Прикметник, давальний відмінок. Adjective, dative case. So let's start looking through this case of adjectives and nouns. Dative case of adjectives. Давальний відмінок прикметників. So traditionally we have a table here, and the first part of the table is in nominative case and the second part is in dative case. As usual, we have three grammatical genders: grammatical masculine, grammatical feminine, grammatical neuter. So, and again I remind you that the questions of nominative case of adjectives який, яке, яка, які, so what kind, which one, and so on, and dative case to which one, to what I give something, and so on. So again, it's dative, so dative, I give something, and something like that. For example, in grammatical masculine, in nominative case, we have endings I, singular, I plural. Again, it depends on the sound. If the sound of the last letter in the root is hard, so we have I. If it's soft, we have I. Літній чоловік. For example, we have ending I. And in plural, it's I. So in dative case, we have endings ому in grammatical masculine, if it's plural, хворому хлопцеві, to the ill boy, хворим хлопцям, to ill boys. And we have soft sign ому and im if in the root is the sound is soft. Літньому чоловікові, літнім чоловікам. So to old man, to old men if it's plural. Grammatical feminine. So in nominative case we have endings a, I, ya, I. A if the sound in the root is hard. Хвора дівчина, ill girl, хворі дівчата, ill girls. And if the sound is soft, in the root we have ending ya. Літня жінка, літні жінки, it's in plural, ending i. Old woman, old women. So in plural, it doesn't depend on the sound, we have ending i. So in dative case, хворій дівчині, ending i, хворим дівчатам, ending im. So in grammatical, in singular form, it doesn't depend which sound is in the root. Хворій дівчині, літній жінці, so i. But in plural form, if the sound is hard, we have ending im, хворим дівчатам, and im, літнім жінкам, if the sound is soft. Okay, grammatical neuter. We have ending yeah, if the sound is hard in the root, yeah, if the sound is soft in the root. Хворе плече, ill shoulder, давнє місто, ancient city. And ending I in plural in both variants, хворі плечі, давні міста. So ill shoulders, ancient cities. And in dative case, endings like in grammatical masculine, ому, and soft sign omu. Again, it depends on the sound in the root. And in plural form, im. So, to an eel shoulder, to eel shoulders, to an Asian city, Asian cities. So, I hope it's a little bit clear for you. If it's not, please write me in the comments, but I guess you will understand more if we go to practice. Потренуймося. Let's practice. Give the answers to these questions. Дайте відповідь на запитання. So, here are some questions, and in the brackets we have prompts for the answer. The answer must be in dative case. So, let's look through the questions. Кому студенти відповідають? To whom are the students answering? Кому викладач пояснює завдання? To whom the teacher explaining the tasks? The prompts here, old professor, so we need to answer but in Ukrainian to old professor, and here іноземні студенти, to foreign students. Кому я показую своє фото? To whom I show my photo? And the prompt is here, добра подруга, good friend. Кому ти написав вправу? To whom have you written an exercise? Молодша сестра, younger sister. Кому ми обіцяли допомагати? To whom have we promised to help? Веселі діти. To married children. Кому Тарас допомагає кожної суботи? To whom does Taras help every Saturday? Старий батько. To old father. Кому тато подарував футбольний м'яч? To whom does dad give the football? Малий син. Little son. Кому потрібно займатися спортом? To whom is it necessary to go in for sports? Молоді люди, young people. Кому допомагає мій друг? To whom does my friend help? Добра сусідка, nice neighbor. Кому перукар робить зачіску? To whom the hairdresser is making a haircut? Стара жінка, to old woman. So, in brackets, we have only nominative case, but in the answers, we should have dative case. So, let's check what we have done. So, here we have the answers. Let's check. Студенти відповідають старому професору. The students are answering to renowned professor. Endings omu. Викладач пояснює знання іноземному студенту. The teacher is explaining the task to a foreign student. Ending omu. Я показую своє фото добрій подрузі. I'm showing my photo to a nice friends. Endings і. Я написав вправу молодшій сестрі. I have written an exercise to a younger sister. Ending і. So let's compare. Grammatical masculine. Old professor, старому професору. Ending omu. Like foreign student, іноземному студенту, ending omu. But grammatical feminine, добрій подрузі, ending і, молодшій сестрі, ending і. And it's e because and because we have soft sound in the root, and because it's grammatical feminine. Ми обіцяли допомагати веселим дітям. We promised to help to married children. So we have ending im here because it's plural form. And Тарас допомагає старому батьку кожної суботи. Taras helps to his old father every Saturday. Старому батьку, grammatical masculine, so we have ending omu here. Тато подарував малому сину футбольний м'яч. Dad gave to young son football. So, малому сину ending omu because it's grammatical masculine. Займатися спортом потрібно молодим людям. To go in for sports, it is necessary for young people. Молодим людям, so it's plural form, so we have ending im. Мій друг допомагає добрій сусідці. My friend helps to nice neighbor. So, neighbor here, neighbor woman. So, we have grammatical feminine here, and that's why ending e. Перукар робить зачіску старій жінці. The hairdresser makes a haircut to an old woman. Old woman, стара жінка, старій жінці. It's grammatical feminine, so we have ending e here. So, you see that everything is according to the table that we have looked through. So, let's continue our practice, and maybe you will understand more.
Козацькому роду нема переводу.
Потренуємося. Let's practice some more. So, here we have the sentences, and we need to put the words in brackets in dative case. So, let's look through this exercise. You can stop the video, look through it, and in the next slide, we will go and check what you have done. So, I hope everything will be correct. So, stop, write down, and then we will check. So, here we have the answers. And, yes, I have made this exercise for you too. So, let's check. Андрій подарував англо-український словник новій студентці. Andrew gave English-Ukrainian dictionary to a new student girl. Grammatical feminine. So we have ending e here in adjective. Микола обіцяв старшому товаришу часто писати листи. Микола promised to his elder friend often write letters. Promised to write letters often. Часто means often. So, and we need to look at the adjective. So, старшому товаришу, grammatical masculine. So we have ending omo. Number 3. Декан вчора сказав новим студентам, що завтра будуть збори. Yesterday the dean told to the new students that tomorrow it would be a meeting. So, новим студентам. It's plural, so we have ending im here. And student, in this case, it's a grammatical masculine, but plural form. Number 4. Професор порадив молодим лікарям багато працювати. The professor advised to young doctors to work a lot. Young doctors. We see it's plural form, ending im. Іван дарує квіти гарним дівчатам. Іван gives flowers to young girls. So, we have ending im here, it's plural form. У центрі Тернополя стоїть пам'ятник великому українському поету Тарасу Шевченку. In the center of Ternopil there is a monument to a great Ukrainian poet Taras Shevchenko. So, we see two adjectives here. Poet Taras Shevchenko, it's grammatical masculine, so we have endings omo in both adjectives. Ця вистава сподобалася молодим хлопцям і дівчатам. This performance was liked by young boys and girls. So, we have ending im here because it's plural form, so it doesn't matter if it's grammatical feminine or masculine. Він допоміг малому хлопчику та дівчинці. He helped to a young boy and girl. So, we see that the first noun is in grammatical masculine, so we put the adjectives as for the rule in grammatical masculine. So, we don't have an adjective here, so this adjective is only for a boy, not for a girl. So that's why we put ending omo. But if we have малому хлопчику та малій дівчинці, yes, we would have ending e, because it's feminine. Лікар порадив хворому кинути курити. The doctor advised an ill person to give up smoking. Хворому. Ending omo, grammatical masculine. Я дякую добрим людям за їхню допомогу. I'm grateful to the good people for their help. We have ending in here. And my example, I'm grateful to my kind subscribers for their help. Я дякую добрим підписникам за їхню допомогу.
Щедрий вечір добрим людям на здоров'я.
And the last practice for today. Замініть речення з родовим відмінком на речення з давальним відмінком. So we should replace the sentences with genitive case to the sentences with dative case. To learn more about genitive case, please type on a hint somewhere here and or find this video in my playlist. So you see, if we have a preposition для, which means for, it's genitive case. If we don't have any preposition, so it's dative case. For example, для мами – мамі, for mom, but to mom. Для тата – for dad, it's genitive, but татові – to dad, it's dative. So look through the sentences again and try just to give up this preposition and to rewrite the adjective and the nouns after the preposition in dative case. And then we will check. Відповіді. Answers. So, let's look through the answers. Я хочу зробити подарунок молодшій сестрі. I want to give a present to my younger sister. Not for my younger sister, but to my younger sister. So, we have ending e here because it's grammatical feminine. Він написав ці вірші молодій дівчині. He wrote these poems to a young girl. Again, grammatical feminine, ending e. Марта хоче заспівати цю пісню новим гостям. Marta wants to sing this song to new guests. Ending im here because it's plural. Художник намалював свою картину багатому клієнту. The painter painted his picture to a rich client. So we have ending om here because it's grammatical masculine. Батько купив книжки малим синам. The father bought the books to young sons. Two young sons, ending im because it's plural. Деканат організував свято іноземним студентам. The dean office organized a celebration for the foreign students. To the foreign students, sorry. Іноземним студентам. So we have ending im here because it's plural. So I hope you have understood the rule. I hope you have understood everything. If not, please write me in the comments. I will help. I will explain once more. I will make any video on all your questions if you ask me in the comments. I really like your ideas if you have some, and I will try to answer all your questions and to give you some tips. So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it immensely like me and my fluffy friends have enjoyed doing it. So please subscribe to my channel not to miss any other videos. Give this video a huge thumb up. Write all the questions in the comments. If you don't understand something, I will try to explain you and give you some tips. And I will be glad to read your ideas about new videos. And so sorry for the sound. Maybe some songs are too loud. I am trying. I promise I will learn how to do that and to make the sound more, make the sounds much better. So let's see each other next Friday. Bye bye.